Imagine stepping off a private jet, the epitome of sophistication and exclusivity, the crisp mountain air invigorating your senses, filling your lungs with pure, refreshing energy. A chauffeured limousine whisks you away, past breathtaking landscapes, where every turn reveals a new, stunning vista, to your private villa overlooking the Aegean Sea, a sanctuary of peace and opulence. This, my friends, is the allure of luxury travel. It's a world where elegance meets adventure. It's about experiencing the world in a way few ever will, where every moment is crafted to perfection. It's about indulging in the extraordinary, where every experience is a masterpiece. Luxury travel is more than just visiting destinations. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime. It's about immersing yourself in a world of comfort, elegance, and unparalleled service, where every need is met with a smile. Every detail is meticulously curated, every desire anticipated, ensuring a seamless and unforgettable experience. It's about turning travel dreams into unforgettable realities, where the journey is just as remarkable as the destination. What truly sets luxury travel apart? It's the personal touch. It's the feeling that every detail has been meticulously planned just for you. It's about having a dedicated team committed to crafting your perfect journey. From the moment you start planning to the time you return home, every aspect is tailored to your desires. Imagine a bespoke itinerary designed around your passions, whether it's exploring ancient ruins with a private guide or savoring Michelin-starred meals. Every experience is curated to create unforgettable memories. Luxury accommodations go beyond thread counts and turn-down service. They offer an ambiance of elegance and comfort, making you feel at home even when you're miles away. Think private villas nestled in secluded havens, offering breathtaking views and unparalleled privacy. These exclusive retreats provide a sanctuary where you can truly unwind. Picture yourself swimming in infinity pools overlooking turquoise waters, attended to by discreet yet attentive staff. Every moment is designed to offer you the ultimate in relaxation and luxury. Luxury travel is about transforming journeys into a tapestry of unforgettable moments. It's about creating memories that linger long after the trip has ended, moments that you can look back on and cherish forever. Imagine soaring above the clouds in first-class comfort, sipping champagne as the world unfolds beneath you. The journey itself becomes a part of the adventure, a prelude to the wonders that await you at your destination. Picture yourself embarking on private tours of world-renowned museums led by expert art historians. These exclusive experiences offer a deeper understanding and appreciation of the art, making each visit truly special. Indulge in gourmet dining experiences orchestrated by renowned chefs. Each meal is a culinary journey, meticulously crafted to delight your palate and elevate your dining experience to new heights. Savor exquisite meals crafted with the freshest local ingredients, each bite an explosion of flavor. The attention to detail and the quality of the ingredients make every dish a masterpiece. Whether it's a candlelit dinner on a private beach or a tasting menu at a Michelin-starred restaurant, luxury travel tantalizes the senses. It's about indulging in the finest things life has to offer, creating moments that are as beautiful as they are unforgettable. Luxury travel is an investment. It's an investment in experiences that will stay with you long after you've unpacked your bags. It's about collecting moments, not souvenirs. It's about returning home refreshed, rejuvenated, and forever changed by the extraordinary. So, why choose luxury travel? Because it's about embracing the art of living well. It's about creating a symphony of unforgettable moments that will last a lifetime.